Welcome to the channel here at Bonsai Hobbyist Hub. My name is Michael. Today's demonstration will simply be about deadheading an azalea. Start by removing all of the pistils, i.e. the flower buds. Just use your bonsai scissors just to cut behind the flower, and you'll have the pistil. That's basically what you should be after. It's all over the tree. If you've let your azalea bloom and you don't do this step, all you do is allow your tree or bonsai to go to seed. Now that is done, we can give your tree a tidy up by cutting all long extensions. I normally like cutting back to 2. All large extensions I'll cut back to the base of where the flower. This year has been probably the best year for this azalea, but I've sacrificed a lot to get it to this stage by removing the flower buds in March before they start swelling. Repeat the process all over the tree. I think that's it. That's all dead-headed and pruned ready for next year. A better azalea with better blooms and overall health. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.